Alright guys, YouTube, people, world, whoever you are. So I got the truck running right now. Just started it. You can see it's not even warm. Anyways, got all my stuff hooked up. All I did was select the vehicle. It says right there on the bottom. Power level setting not available until download is installed. So I can actually drive around with this just like that, and just leave it. But anyways, I got the wood for the bed of the truck. That looks like picnic tables, but it's not. But anyways, yeah, so I got it all hooked up. Pyrometer, you can see that's my EGT right there. So that's my big old finger. So pyro's 257, boost to 0, trans temp 51, 50, whatever. Coolant temp is 77. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring it up to temperature. Just idle in here. And then yeah, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably download it or upload it, whatever you want to call it. Download the tune and all that stuff. So for right now, it's just customers. Remember, they got customers. Hold on. Okay. Anyways, man, so many interruptions. Nephew, people. Anyways, yeah, so basically I'm just going to let it warm up, get a little bit warm. Then I'll upload the tune. But for now, I guess I can go gauge setup, Pyro 1. That's going to be the main one, I guess. Pyro 2 speed, so that's gauge 1. That's the main gauge. Speed, RPM, coolant temp, throttle intake, barometer, battery, trans temp, load, map sensor, estimated torque, line pressure. I'll just keep it with Pyro 1. Boost is fine, trans fine, they're all fine. Those are good. Let's see what else we got. Set default levels. I'm gonna go here because I don't want it to be that high. I want it to be low. Let's do 1300. 1300, engine coolant 220. So basically I'm just gonna go through here, just selecting junk. Diagnostics. Let's see what that does. Copying DTCs. Key must be in the wrong position. Engine not running. Okay. Oops. Cruise control multifunction input A circuit low. Okay. So let's see what else we got. Stationary idle adjust. So apparently you can adjust it. And I keep rolling these windows down. Background theme, day, night. Oh. Ooh, that's cool. That's cooler. That's weird. Kind of like the red. I'm gonna go with red. Let's go night theme. Go with the green. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Just backlight just okay. That's fine. Animation, wave effect off. Select pyro source. There's a lot of settings in this thing. Pretty cool, pretty neat. You probably can't even see anything I'm doing. Anyways, I didn't know you guys can't see anything. So anyways, that's going to be it for this video. I'm just going to let it warm up and then I'll download the tune to the truck, do all that stuff. Yeah, and then after I do that, I'll do a startup of what the exhaust sounds like. It actually doesn't sound any different to me. It sounds a little bit deeper. I'm just actually waiting for a lady to get home so I can go pick up a 24-foot fiberglass ladder. So anyways, and then like clockwork, here comes my nephew in his Evo, in his Mazda Speed 3, basically. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you do, you guys know what to do. Alright, later.